Hello y'all, I am the Midwest Hack, and in this video I'm going to bring you all along on building a replacement dog for a Husqvarna 575 XP. This video is going to be part of my 575 XP playlist. It was originally going to be part of the rebuild on that saw. However, that video got to be a little bit too long, so I broke a couple little pieces out here and there, made separate videos out of those. Gonna put them all on a playlist for you. If you want to see everything related to the 575 XP, go to my channel, go to playlist, choose the Husqvarna 575 XP. Yo, pay attention to the dogs I pull off of this saw at the beginning of this video. A guy doesn't go through the effort of cutting all the points off of a dog for no reason. There's got to be some reason the guy did this, but I can't figure out for the life of me why that would be. Possibly it was some special application, like, for example, here's a coffee table that I built several years ago. You can see down the edge of this table the holes left by the dogs when I cut the edges off. Perhaps he was doing something like this. He didn't want the holes left by the dogs. It was going to be something that would show. But if that were the case, why wouldn't you just keep the dogs back away from the wood? Maybe he was using the saw for milling and taking that last little bit off, got him enough, got him just a little bit extra length that he needed. I don't know. What do you guys think? Put any thoughts you have down in the comments. It just bugs the heck out of me when you see something like this. You know he did it for a reason, but you just can't figure out what that reason was. All right, enough jabbering from me. Let me get you looking at something you actually want to see. Next up for this thing is getting rid of this silly excuse. Let's get the old one pulled off. Let me take a look around for material that we can use to replace that. I'm going to start by just tracing out the general shape, or the shape of it that I have to start with. All right, now that I have that, I'm going to redesign this thing a little bit, see if I can come up with something I like a little bit better. Well, that's maybe not the prettiest thing, but I think it's certainly an improvement. We'll give that a try. We can always redo it and modify it a little further. Probably keep getting you out of frame here. So let me get this laid out. All right, let's start cutting that up. I got the new dog roughed out. I ended up having to take it over to my fabrication bench. I couldn't, over here at my saw bench, the light just wasn't right. I couldn't see my scribe marks, so I took it over there and did it. Next, I'll be clamping the old dog, or what's left of the old dog, onto the new one so that I can really do a kind of fine tune the shape of this and get it to where it needs to be, because right now I left extra material there, purposely left it, you know, all rough and crusty and crappy looking, but we'll go get that cleaned up and I'll be right back. There I clamped things together and kind of cleaned it up. It's got a pretty close approximation to that original shape. I'm going to unclamp these and go clean up some of these burrs. It's not cleaned up perfect yet, but it's a whole lot nicer to handle. I'll wait to put the finishing touches on it until I get the holes drilled. And here we are. This is what I ended up with. That's compared to what it originally looked like. As you can imagine, that was doing absolutely nothing. We're gonna see how this one works out. First time I've ever tried making a dog before, so I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Let's get it installed. And there we have it, guys. I think that'll be much more effective than what was on there. I think that pretty much wraps this video up. I'm going to turn this one loose. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.